In this video, I will guide you through how to fix the access denied problem from Zarchiver. If this video helped you out, consider liking and subscribing the channel. Let's fix the problem. First, open your mobile setting. Now, scroll down and find the apps option. Here, tap on the three dot at the top right corner. Now tap on Special Access option. Here go to All File Access. Now find the Zarchiver from the list and turn on the toggle beside the Zarchiver. Now the access denied problem should be fixed. If I go to Zarchiver, then go to Device Storage. Here as you can see, the access denied problem has been solved. Now I can access the Android folder also from here. That's how you can fix the problem. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.